Hello viewers, I am Nusrat Jahan from Learn Something New Every Day, and today I will be discussing about Google Slides. Google Slides is a cloud-based presentation software, and I will be discussing about the interfaces and how to use it in this video. This will be a very quick video, and I will show you why should you use Google Slides and why should you choose Google Slides over PowerPoint. So Google Slides is about collaborate working over internet. You can work collaboratively with anyone you want, with any people. You just need the email address of people and you can add it, or you can easily share it to other people so that they can work on your slides as well. And you can create your presentation slide from any device. You can use your mobile phone or your PC or your laptop or anything. You just need to have access over internet and you can create a PowerPoint presentation out of it. And you can download it at any format. Either you can download it at PDF format, or you can download it at PowerPoint format, or any format you want that are accessible. Okay, so we'll be going through the Google Slides right now. Let's go through it. All you need to do is just search about Google Slides. You need to choose the Google Slides free online presentations for personal use. Then go to personal. This is from my email address, and here are some slides that I have worked on well. So you can create a blank or you can create one from the template gallery. We can choose anything from the template gallery. So you just choose the blank one. Okay. Here are some templates as well. Well, I would like to choose this one. Okay, so let's cross. And you can choose your layout from here. Title, slide, section header, anything you want later on. Or you can create one new slide and you can choose your layout from here as well. Okay, so what I'll be showing is how can you use this one. See, here are some options, like you can make a copy, you can download it at any format, JPG image, PNG image, plain text, PDF, SVG as well. Okay, you can import slide here through this option, and you can send it as attachment as well. And some other things, so let's okay, so you can edit it, like find and replace, view. You can view it any shape, like animation. If you want to see the animations, you can choose it. See, we can add an animation from here as well. Okay, and grid view, zoom, guides. Okay, all right, and format option. Let's see the format options. Line spacing. You can see there are everything that you need. Apply layout, change backgrounds, change transition, change theme. Okay, you can change theme from here as well. Arrange, slide, keep slide, edit master. Okay, tools, voice type, speaker notes. Well, it's amazing. Let's check it. Hello everyone. Oh, I see. This is for speaker notes. I see. Okay, let's cut it. Got it. Okay. Let's see the tools right here. Spelling, you can check your spellings from here. Advanced, help. Okay. So this is the basic things that you want, and you can present it from Google Slides as well. This is a really interesting part of it, and you can share it, like, okay, let me just rename it design presentation, save. So it needs email address, or I can just get the shareable link and I can copy and paste over any platform, and they can just from this link you can see that who see can view. You can use also can edit. So then copy link. See, can edit it now. This is really an interesting platform. So I will just add the email addresses from here. So let's just add send. See, let me show you another interesting thing. Like if I share from here and copy link, let's put it here, and let's select another email address of mine. Okay, so see, it is showing me that I am working on it. Done. Okay, so let's just cross this one. See, if I work on it, I can easily see it. That you can see that I have edited it, and you can see it as well. And if I work on it, like if I write anything here, you can see that from here I am working. And as it is from shareable link, so it is showing that anonymous panda. You have seen that I have already shared it through email addresses, and if they work on it, then I will see that who is working. It will show with along with their names right here. All right. So there is another thing that I want to show you, and that is if I want to talk with anyone, like here, notifications, comment. Okay, so I can comment here that hello, hey, you inserted wrong one. Okay, let's comment it and see. Hello, hey, you inserted wrong one. It is showing me right here. Reply. I see. Can you show me a solution? See, right here. Real-time working, right? Amazing thing. And we can resolve it as well, that it is resolved. So you can see that this one is really amazing. You can work through any platform, and you can see real time that who is working. If you need to talk with, you don't need to go in Facebook or Messenger or any other platforms. You can just select it, and you can say that notifications, comment. Okay, you can just comment. Okay, this one is really amazing. And let's work on it. If I give a title to it, drawing, and let's move it to middle. Okay, and we can change the font as well, like from here, Chronomica, Book Antica. Okay, the font is changed as well. And if you want to insert a presentation file from here, like from here I want to add a presentation file, I will just copy it and I will just paste it right here. See, just copy it. And the background one will be removed as well. And if I want to enlarge it, it will be enlarged as well. Alright, so you can see how easy to work on it. And you can choose any format as well, bold, strike through, and many more. There are more and more things like border color. See, there is a border now. Okay, so this was the video about Google Slides, and we will meet again in our next video. And don't cross your boundaries, win each time and effort of yours. All right, goodbye.